Hi, my name is Lisa Welko. I'm a certified franchise executive with the International Franchise Association. Every week, I share a 2-minute tip that I'd share with a friend, family member, or candidate that I'm working with who's exploring business ownership. If you have a question about this tip or anything in the franchise industry, please reach out. Okay, here's my 2-minute tip. Brian Tracy, a famous author and leadership speaker, says this: no one lives long enough to learn everything they need to learn starting from scratch. To be successful, we absolutely, positively have to find people who have already paid the price to learn the things we need to learn to achieve our goals. Guys, that's franchising in two different cases for me. So in one, what you're doing is franchising is a formula that someone else has paid the dues. Someone else has learned through trial and error and made the mistakes and had the successes, and they're going to take that and in turn share it with you like a partner would in order for you to be successful. The same thing kind of works when you're working with me as a consultant. I've been doing this for a long time. There are a lot of franchise opportunities out there. I'm going to take what I've learned and all the different information that I have access to, and I'm going to download that to you so you can make the best decision for your family about business ownership. So the tip is learn from others. Make your learning curve shorter.